Hello friends, this is Rubia. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, long time, but can't help it. I wasn't well. I was having a lot of weakness and a lot of stuff. So if you guys must be following on Instagram, you guys must be already knowing. And if don't, just go and follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, so today I am here to show my dressing table, like what's in my dressing table, just a dressing table tour. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. So if you guys are wondering, this is how my dressing table looks. Yes, that's ring light, and hi, that's me. Okay, so I'll show you part by part and how it opens. Wait, I'll just show you how it's open. It's a rotating dressing table. Yes. So yes, if you guys are wondering, this is how dressing table is. Okay, so first thing which every dressing table has is this light. Yes, we can on from here. Yeah. So this light. Okay, next is here I have my all the nail polishes. Yes, so they are pretty amazing. So yes, here I have remover as well, even nail art के stuffs over here. Here the normal nail polish, transparent from बहुत सारे colors हैं in short. Okay, now we'll go down. Over here I have 1 2 3 two baskets, like buckets, and these buckets are really cute. I just love them. Like ये बहुत ही cute है. And okay, so here I have all my liners, colorful liners and kajal and all those stuff. So this is green, purple, blue, mixture of blue and green, brown, and a lot of things. Okay, these are my normal lipsticks. Normal इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, normal सा lipstick है. These are the lipsticks which I use on occasions. ज़्यादा collection नहीं है, but then also I am grateful I have this much. So on like शादी वादी में हम लोग use करते हैं वैसा वाला है. So that's it. Now we'll go over next. Okay, so here in this bucket I have like this eyelash curler, normal, and nail shapener. This is just the eyebrow thing. Sharpener kajal ka, and the nail cutter and the beauty blender. That's it. Now in this I have, which I use daily like regularly. So इसमें क्या है, ये lipstick, nude lipstick, again a nude lipstick. This is pink lipstick from Lakme. This is orangish brown lipstick from Lakme. Lip balm, mascara, and this lipstick, again a nude lipstick from Color Bar. And that's it. This Lakme CC cream. If you want to know more about this, I have a separate video related that. Plum kajal and Revlon sketch pen liner. This is what I use. And this transparent nail hardener or nail whatever shiner, whatever you want, you can call. Now we'll go to last track. So over here I have these earbuds. Yes, not for ears, but to remove my lens or just to for my nails and all those stuffs. Perfume, that is from Black Lady. A nail remover. This is also a nail remover, like dip wala nail remover. It's really amazing. It's very nice. I like it. I have a separate video of this as well. Few rubber bands. ये भी बहुत cute है यार. ये इतना छोटू सा. I just love it. Okay, and that's the perfume gifted by one of my cousin. Yes, that's it. This side. Now we'll go to another side. Okay, over here this is press and open. So when we open over here, okay, so over here we have hair serum and all those extra things. Few from brands and few I have bought it. So I use B Blunt hair serum. So that this is CC cream. Then I have this. This is also gifted. This is also gifted. This is Dio. That is perfume. So in short, random stuffs over here. Then let's come to the next part. Over here again serum which I am regularly using, daily use. This is face serum from Tea Tree. This is Roop Mantra. Yes, Roop Mantra was something which was a PR from brand, but I love this product, so I keep on buying Roop Mantra. I just love it. Cocosol, yes, you guys already know I use Cocosol products and I love the smell of Cocosol. The coconut smell is really amazing. Then again, perfumes and random stuffs. Okay, let's come to the next part. Here I have this brush cleaner, makeup brush cleaner. I have a separate video of this. This is a nail art tool. So I have nail cutter, Q-tip pusher, nail scissor and all those stuffs. I got this free from Revlon when I took a lot of products from Revlon, they gifted me this free. Okay, next is this प्लम नाइट क्रीम जो मैंने निकाल दिया. इसके अंदर सिर्फ रबर बैंड्स रखा है कि रबर बैंड्स ना गुम हो जाते हैं. सो यस, एंड देन देयर इज द डियो. here is the makeup setting spray from MAC, that is MAC Prime. It's really a super makeup setting spray. ये रोज़ यूज़ नहीं होता है, सो ये पीछे रखा है. एंड दिस इज़ मेकअप ब्रश. ये मैं प्लास्टिक में पैक करके रखा है मैंने, और कुछ जो यूज़ करती हूँ वो बाहर है. सो येस, आई यूज़ ओवल ब्रशेज़, रैंडम ब्रश. येस, कबर्ड में अलग से है, लेकिन here also I keep it. Now let's come to next. So here I have these random buckles and clips and all those stuffs in this basket. तो ये खो नहीं जाता है और ये जब भी यूज़ करना है we can. This is Moroccan oil from Wish. I just love it. Like ये ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा. I don't know, I'm using it daily. But अभी समर सीजन में इतनी गर्मी है, कौन यूज़ करेगा. There are drawers. ये nail stickers है for my nails. यहाँ पे रबर बैंड्स है, अगेन द फैंसी वंस, लिटिल फैंसी, ज़्यादा फैंसी नहीं. और यहाँ पे आई हैव 2 आई शैडो एंड फेस मसाजर एंड वो सब. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस रैक. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द लास्ट वन. लास्ट वन में इतना कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा, बट देन ऑल्सो आई हैव कॉटन ओवर हियर. ये बास्केट में कॉटन है, और ये सोप, पेपर सोप एक्स्ट्रा वन जो मैं मेरे पर्स में रखती हूँ. अ मिरर, क्रीम पॉन्स का, अगेन नेल रिमूवर, स्पेयर वन एक्स्ट्रा नेल रिमूवर. ये फेस मसाजर है, ये जो अच्छे से यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग. एंड दैट्स इट, लैक्टोकैलामाइन, एंड दैट्स इट, ऑल दोज रैंडम स्टफ्स. Okay, so I have this over here which I put daily, and यहाँ से मैं रोज़ चीज़ें लेती हूँ. So I'll show you what all things I have over here. This is my underarm cream. So वैसे तो I don't use, but it is really amazing. Like I use when I feel my underarms are getting little dark. इससे बहुत अच्छे से underarms हो जाते हैं. Then next is Sofromycin. मैं इधर उधर गिरती रहती हूँ, so I need it. Okay, next is this sunscreen from Neutrogena, Dove roll-on. Yes, you need a roll-on. Then this is Mark's cream in case I get pimples. For pimples I use this Roop Mantra gel. This is really awesome. I just love it. Even this suits for all skin. I feel मेरे भाई को भी ये सूट कर रहा है. So if you want, you can try this Roop Mantra gel. Next is this Himalaya lip balm. Okay, ये इतना हो गया है. This is perfume Water Girl का. Recently I am using for perfume. I am like, अभी जो भी है मेरे पास, मेरे को गिफ्ट्स में बहुत perfumes आए, so I am using that. वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा फिर I'll start buying perfumes. This is face toner that is from aloe vera, that is of aloe vera. And before that I always use that Gulabri and I love that. ये ठीक है brand से आया था, so I am using it. And this is Pond's. नॉर्मल गर्मी है तो चाहिए Pond's, वैसे तो मैं रखती नहीं हूँ, but it really helps. Next is Nivea. You know I love Nivea and Vaseline. Without that my day doesn't start. This is night cream from Plum which I use, so it's pretty nice. Okay, and compact powder, that is Fit Me compact powder, so it's nice. I use these products daily, so yes. Now I have these Chotu Sa bowl. ये आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम IKEA. इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन दैट IKEA हॉल, जस्ट गो एंड वॉच. ओके, सो इसके अंदर क्या है, मेरे ब्रेसलेट. ये घड़ी जो मैंने पहनी है ना, वो भी मैं इसके अंदर ही रखती हूँ. दिस ब्रेसलेट अगेन वन मोर ब्रेसलेट, a rubber band which I use while I sleep at night, a lip balm, a nail cutter, my छोटू छोटू चीज़ें, हेयर क्लिप्स है, यू कैन सी वो छोटू सा हेयर क्लिप है, और सेफ्टी पिन्स है, एंड दोज रैंडम स्टफ्स. सो येस, that's it over here. And it's really convenient and amazing since I use these products daily. So I just need this thing every day. Now the next is this drawer. और ये drawer में कुछ नहीं, बस normal सा hair brush है, ये clips है, ये nails है, stick on nails, my lens, my rings over here. ये सब brand से आया था. That is my hair straightener जो मैं use नहीं करती since my hair are straight. This is for my mom. My hair eyelashes, दिस मेकअप रिमूवर एक्स्ट्रा. इसके अंदर सारे मेरे कड़ा है जो ब्रेसलेट्स रहते हैं वो, एंड ऑल दोज रबर बैंड्स. और क्या है, बस वही सब है, रैंडम स्टफ्स, टू मेसी. इन दिस आई हैव पुट माई हैंड बैग्स, लाइक छोटे छोटे पर्स और जो भी है वो सब रखा है मैंने. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful or something interesting, and if not, then also do subscribe to my channel. You'll get something useful to see every week, and do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, that was all for today. See you in next video. Don't forget to hit like to this video. Yeah, bye bye. See you in next video.